thank you. Please like the video. Please subscribe. If you're not and you're wondering why you should, because my channel's for the nobody, for the nobody guy, the average guy. If you're a bodybuilder already, or if you're even in shape, you're probably not going to enjoy this channel. I'm 45, just started to get in shape, trying to be a bodybuilder. And I thought it'd be cool just to document it as I go. What's up, guys? Just got home from work. This is going to be today's outfit for the gym. Under Armour sweatpants, and then I'm going to go Redcon and Redcon. Not that I don't know, I'm always wearing Redcon. But anyways, and then these Nike socks. These are the most comfortable socks that I've got. So that's going to be today's outfit. And then, yeah. Alright, we got to find our shoes in our bag. I've been taking this backpack. But I think I'm just gonna go like all Redconned out. I know that seems like I do that all the time, but I really don't. But yeah, so let's see if I can't zoom out a little bit. Jeez. Maybe not. Well, anyways, we'll take this Redcon one bag. I should take this and give it away to somebody. Maybe I'll take that too and just give it away. But what shoes? What shoes? Let's go with these Nikes. It reminds me of when I was a kid, or like junior high. Air Maxes. Oh yeah. Alright. Making my pre-workout for the gym. Feeling good today. I had a rest day yesterday, so I'm feeling good. I got my funnel. Let's go. We gotta get the creatine. And we're gonna go Total War. My microphone's still working. My microphone's about dead. I think I'm gonna go a half a scoop. This stuff will blow your socks off. Let's go a half a scoop of Total War. And we'll do some creatine. I gotta get my ear pods. What does everybody listen to at the gym? I used to listen to music, but now I try to listen to like podcasts or a YouTube video where they're just talking, you know. Make a comment. What does everybody listen to? But all right, I got 5 grams of creatine in there. I don't know if I mentioned I just got home from work, showered, and then I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna put a scoop of Gamer for the mental focus, basically. And that'll be my pre-workout. This got breach in it, BCAAs, left over a little bit from work. But yeah, so this is my pre-workout. Grab my bag and get the heck out of here. So we're at the gym. It's packed. It's an odd time for it to be packed. I really don't want to go in there. Not because of that. It's just because I'm tired. But gotta do it. Gotta do it. I'm trying to think of what kind of split I want to start doing. I'm thinking about doing like a bro split for 2 weeks, and then push pull legs for a week, and then back to a bro split for 2 weeks, and then push for a week, and do that. Seems like push pull legs takes a long time. Like if this is what I did for a living, I would definitely probably do that type of workout. But since I have a full-time job, it just seems like it either takes forever, or I don't feel like I've trained enough on whatever day, on a push day. Like I don't feel like I did enough. And so then at the end of the week, I feel like I didn't do anything more than if I would have just did chest, on one day for the whole day or the whole workout. But yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going to probably start doing that starting tonight. But I'll throw a little bit of triceps in too. So like it'll be a bro split, but a little bit of triceps on chest day, a little bit of biceps on back day. But then at the end of the week, I'll have an arm day. And I have to start doing abs for sure. My stomach's getting out of control. And I need to do cardio. I just need to do it all. Yeah. Well, I'm going to finish this pre-workout, get in there, kick its butt, and get out. All right. All right, that was a workout. I didn't film none of it because it's pretty busy in there. But yeah, we just did some chest and triceps. I'm immediately getting this. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Am I close up here? MRE, RTD, ready to drink, chocolate. It's amazing. Use my code, get you a box. You can actually get it at Meijer's too, or at least in Michigan. Anyways, all right, so we're gonna go back to my place. I'm gonna go home. Yeah, and probably get a meal in and relax. Checking my sugar. And we got 125. That's not bad. 125. And I'm going to take 20. I say this on every video. Is it 20 units or 20 IUs? I don't know. Somebody correct me, please. Put this little needle in. Turn it up to 20. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something like that. My nightly drink. So, I wonder how many grams this is. I usually just do 2 scoops, 2 of these little scoops, but we're going to find out how many grams of fiber I am doing. So, if I do 2 scoops, so 3.5 exactly, 3.5 grams of fiber. That's what I always do. And then a scoop of glutamine, well, 5 grams of glutamine. That's what this scooper is for. And then I got a CoQ10. Actually, it's ubiquinol. Ubiquinol, 100 milligrams. Blood pressure, cholesterol. 3 things. I'm going to chase it down with my drink. No flavor. Oh well. Alright, taking these. Alright, so I got some chicken thighs I'm cooking up. That's going to be like for tomorrow. But I got one more meal tonight to eat. If it's kind of leftovers, I'll pile it in here. You see it? I just put the rice in there, so I know that's 125 grams of jasmine rice. And if I had to guess, I would say, I'm not even going to try guessing on the vegetables, maybe 50 grams. The meat's probably about 100, 120 grams of beef. But yeah, I'm going to eat that up, put some salt and pepper on it, garlic powder. Eat that up for tonight. The chicken thighs will be for tomorrow. If you made it this far, thank you. Please like the video. Please subscribe. If you're not and you're wondering why you should, because my channel's for the nobody, for the nobody guy, the average guy. If you're a bodybuilder already, or if you're even in shape, you're probably not going to enjoy this channel. I'm 45, just started to get in shape, trying to be a bodybuilder. And I thought it'd be cool just to document it as I go. Reality kind of hit today. It's going to take a while to get where I want to go. I was hoping it'd be a lot quicker, but it's going to be a slow race. That's okay, though. I love this lifestyle. It's changed my whole life. I love training. So yeah, please like the video. Please subscribe. Redcon 1 supplements, T20 J Glenn, 20% off. Right now, today, well, never mind. This video ain't coming up today. Anyways, all right. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.